Astroyogi, India's #1 live astrology app.
Aries. Overview. Today you may find yourself wanting to spend time with your family, leaving work and worries behind. This is a time full of warmth and rapport for people in close relation to each other. So appreciate that your family is in your life. Treasure these moments as they do not last forever. Aries. Romance. Today try to focus on building trust and communication into your romantic relationships with your partner. Your partner will suffer if trust is missing and you are currently heading down that road. Make sure you take time today to have a one-on-one conversation with your beloved and air any grievances that have built up silently and stealthily. After this heart-to-heart session, you will find that your relationship is back on solid ground. Aries. Career. Your communication skills, self-confidence and pleasing personality will come to your aid as you get an opportunity to display your skills at work. However, you will have to put in a lot of hard work to not only prove yourself but also to achieve your goals. Your ability to foster innovation, adapt quickly and be resilient in the face of increasing pressure will also really impress your seniors. Aries. Finance. Some financial worries have been on your mind recently, but you can ease your troubled mind today. What seems like a crisis now will resolve itself in time. Some sudden losses can be recouped in the short term, and some will take a bit longer. Overall, you're on the track to financial security. You may even find that your financial fortunes take a turn for the better today. So take advantage of this rise in monetary inflow. Aries. Health. Hypertension patients will have to be a little careful today, as chances of aggravating the problem are high. If you are still suffering from a weight problem, try to get rid of this at the earliest, because weight reduction will lead the way to good health. Take only vegetarian food and exercise regularly to keep you fit. You will be highly benefited if you make meditation an essential part of your daily routine. Taurus. Overview. Domestic disharmony is a cause for concern today. What you need to do right now is observe where and when things go wrong. From your end, try not to lose your temper. Although tempting, it can lead to loss of affection and a rift in your relationship. Remain focused on nurturing your relationships with friends and family so that they can grow and thrive for the long haul. Taurus. Romance. If you are in the midst of discussions regarding a marriage, then today you will find that these discussions proceed smoothly down the track you were hoping for. You will not face any major hurdles and can expect to see the outcome that you've been working towards. You may even set the date today. Taurus. Career. Today you will have to work at breakneck speed in order to keep up with the pace of your job. Your industry is changing and so is your career. So you do your best to keep up. So as not to become obsolete, you may have to put in a few extra hours updating yourself on recent changes in your field. The time you invest in this matter will pay off for you in the long run. Taurus. Finance. If you are in business, then you will find that today is a banner day for you. New jobs are rolling in faster than you can take them, and your existing jobs are proceeding well. If you are politically connected, then you will find that today brings some very big opportunities today for lucrative new projects. Taurus. Health. You need to be careful while sitting, as carelessness on your part could invite back problems. It is better to develop a habit of always sitting in a good posture. It will not only improve your health and confidence, but also your work performance. Also make sure you don't cut down on your sleep. You need to keep in mind that not getting enough sleep could weaken the immune system and impair the mental faculties. Take proper sleep for the sake of your health. Gemini. Overview. Relax today and enjoy the camaraderie you've built up with those around you. Benefits will come to you from these relationships in the near and distant future, as you have laid a strong foundation for success in your domestic sphere. Nurture your relationships with both friends and family, so that you can keep these relationships long into the future. Gemini. Romance. Your relationship with your partner today is harmonious for those in a committed relationship. Those of you who begin a relationship today will find that it will turn into something long-lasting and very beautiful. You may receive a gift from your partner today that will be long remembered or for a very special occasion. Gemini, career. At your workplace today, you will need to work with great focus and sincerity. Efforts you undertake with less than your full focus will not bring you the desired results. Make sure you choose your highest priority item and work on it in a concentrated manner. Only then will you be able to meet your targets and make the most of your skills. Gemini, finance. Think patiently while finalizing your future financial plans. Keep in mind that any hasty decisions on your part could hamper your financial interests. You may need to make some decisions quickly if you find opportunities coming your way briefly, but try not to make hasty decisions or else you may suffer some losses. Be decisive and wise in your choices. Gemini, health. Some negative thoughts could disturb your mental peace today. It is better to keep calm and remain tension-free. To achieve this, engage in some creative work and don't allow unwanted thoughts to enter your mind. In fact, make efforts to enhance your mental resilience. A tense mind may not allow you to concentrate in any work, but a relaxed mind will make you feel simultaneously calm and productive. Answer. Overview. Money, recognition and success are all yours for the taking at this time. It's time to enjoy everything that comes your way. After all, you have worked hard for all the rewards that life is giving you these days. There may be time for work later. Right now, simply revel in it all and bask in the glory of your achievements. Congratulate yourself. Answer. Romance. If possible, use some innovative methods to express your love rather than just the usual sweets or gifts. You will be highly benefited by writing a small poem of your own and sending it to your beloved. This will not only lift the mood of your partner, but will also infuse a new spirit of fun in your affair. Answer. Career. If you work as a model in the fashion industry, today is a very fruitful day for you. If you have been trying to get work and trying to get your big break, then today could have a wonderful surprise in store for you. Make sure you get out there and network with potential employers, and you are sure to turn a few heads today. Answer. Finance. Today you may find a surprising development in your house of finance, in that money comes to you via a colleague and your business really flourishes. Perhaps you're in the business with a relative and that person brings in a new account. You can thank them for their contribution today, as their good luck has been lucky for you as well. You are sure to make good profits today. Answer. Health. Your health overall is in good condition, but it's the stomach upset that you have to do battle with today. Eat well and do light exercise to alleviate these symptoms, and don't worry about any larger problems, as your health issues are temporary. Maintain a healthy eating regimen today to keep a stomach upset at bay. Leo. Overview. Today you may find that you are on the lookout for an advisor for some troubles in your family life. It may even be that you search for a competent astrologer who can guide you in the right direction. Make sure that you have chosen the right professional so you are not disappointed and led astray. Leo. Romance. It is high time for you to let your partner know how your life has changed since he or she has arrived. This would lift his or her spirits and enable both of you to embark on a journey together, carried by the love that you share for each other. Pour your heart out to your beloved today. Leo. Career. Today will find you somewhat stressed out about your workload. You are reminded yet again that success will require single-minded dedication and diligence on your part. Take the tension in stride, because these are productive times. Though progress seems to be slow in coming, rest assured that you are making headway. Focus on the areas in which some improvement can be made. Leo. Finance. The cash outflows are inordinately high during this period. Today you will find that money is leaving your bank account faster than it came in. Try to minimize your expenses and your purchases, though you may only be able to limit them so much. Only spend money today on necessities, as there will be plenty of them and no room for luxuries. Leo. Health. You have been feeling quite sedentary lately, and your body is paying the price for sitting too much. You may have some aches and pains that you didn't even know you could have. Time to get up and get to that gym. You may dread it, but you will feel worlds better when you're done. Virgo. Overview. Today may find you furrowing your brow at a decision that a family member has made. This decision may have some effect on you, but you are not in a position to change it. This is a scenario in which you must subdue your urge to complain and just accept things as they are. Sometimes a battle is not worth fighting after all. Virgo, romance. Today you should not let your partner and yourself stay at home for another evening. Get out and paint the town red. Do something fun, such as taking a dancing class or seeing a movie together. You will find that this really breaks the monotony and gives the two of you something to talk about again. Virgo, career. Brilliant breakthroughs are around the corner, but the desire to suddenly turn your life in a totally new direction should be tempered with a strong dose of common sense. It's natural to be excited, restless, and ready to move into a world of ideas and experiences you've never seen before. But the unexpected inspiration can disappear as quickly as it came if you act without proper preparation. Virgo, finance. If you have been thinking of buying a new vehicle, then today is your day to make your selection. It is indicated that the car you choose today would likely wind up being a very satisfying choice. The planets are making all this possible for you. If you weren't ready to buy so soon, at least make the most of today and start to visit the showrooms. Virgo, health. Today you should find ways to get exercise as a family. All of you need to get out and get some exercise today, and you will find it fun to do it together. If you are having fun while you are exercising, then you are more likely to do it for longer and enjoy it more. All of you will find you appreciate this bit of activity today. Libra, overview. Today you may find that some great benefits come to you from literature you will consult. You may feel that you have just learned some information that you can use in your career or personal development, or that you have gained some much needed perspective on a personal situation. Use this information and knowledge to your benefit, as it has come your way for a reason. Libra, romance. Today brings both harmony and enjoyment for you in your home. You will spend much time with those who are dear to you, so take advantage of these special moments. Don't be afraid to let your hair down in the company of loved ones. Forget all those tasks which have been weighing on your mind recently and just enjoy yourself. Libra, career. Sales and marketing people will have been under tremendous pressure from their bosses these past few weeks and will find themselves quite stress-free today for a change. Those in the insurance sector will do exceptionally well, so ensure that you meet as many clients as possible today. Libra, finance. If you want to put yourself in a strong position at work and in your financial realm, you must join hands with creative and like-minded people. It will give you an opportunity to prove your mettle. It would be in your interest if you adopt new technologies, as it would allow you to keep pace with the fast-changing times and allow you to capitalize on your skills. This is the perfect time to channelize your energy towards achieving your financial targets. Positively focus your energies in the best way to excel at this time. Libra, health. Today you find that any way you can link your fitness routine with your social life helps you keep on track with your fitness goals. Today you could talk with friends about starting a walking or running club. Share recipes for healthy alternatives to fattening snacks. Meet a friend at the gym for racquetball. These activities will make exercise fun and will bring you closer to your friends. Scorpio, overview. Today you will be anxious to get out and meet new people. You have been feeling a bit bored or frustrated with your social life as of late. Why not even head out somewhere with a friend and see how many new people you can meet? If you are going to a family celebration or an occasion today, then you may find it's a good place to meet new people who already understand your family background. Scorpio, romance. This day will be full of passion as your sensual desires are heightened at this time. You will find yourself wanting to spend time alone with your partner, away from the rest of the world and the stresses of your workday life. Try to steal a few special moments together so you can experience all the pleasures of being with the one you love. Scorpio, career. If you work at a bank, then today you may find that you stumble upon some ways to improve your long-term career growth. Keep good relations with any contacts you meet today, as you never know how that relationship could be useful in the future. Be on your best behavior in the office today. Scorpio, finance. You will experience an enhancement in your financial prospects today. There are strong indications that you are likely to be entrusted with or assigned an important responsibility at work, which will bring you some monetary rewards. Financial success on your part will not only bring you laurels, but will also pave the way for higher growth opportunities. There are further indications that it might bring an increment as well. Today also promises success for people aspiring to join an interior designing course, as they will succeed in the interview. Scorpio, health. Your sound health will keep you in a cheerful state today. You will also benefit if you make your mind receptive to positive emotions like love, hope and faith. The power of your mind can do wonders for your health. Do your best to remain in a positive and healthy state of mind, and your health will be the same. Enjoy today. Sagittarius, overview. You may struggle with a bit of tension today, either in the office or at home. There are indications that those around you will be on the edge, which will affect your mood. Just shrug it off, as it's only a passing phase anyway. Keep focused on your own task and at least get few things done. Being productive will take your mind off any tensions which are floating around you. Everyone will sort out their own moods soon enough anyway, and you will all be back to your normal routines again. Sagittarius, romance. You are feeling quite romantic these days and want to share your affection with your loved ones. You are also keen to charm someone special. Do so freely, as today is a day in which your love life may blossom. Efforts you put into your relationship today will bear fruit for you in many unexpected ways. Keep focused on your partner or the one you desire to be yours, and you will see your efforts pay off in due course. Sagittarius, career. Today you should be wary of getting into discussions with anyone regarding a business partnership. This partnership may seem promising in the beginning, but you would likely find that the partnership would spoil over time. Think very hard before signing any official documents at this time. Sagittarius, finance. Today you will be relieved to see that some unexpected gains will make up for some recent losses you suffered. Try to maximize these gains and don't spend any of that money just yet. You can't be sure this trend of increased financial flow will continue indefinitely. Be conservative with your expenditures today. Sagittarius, health. If you tend to have problems with your blood sugar, today it is especially critical that you watch your sugar intake. If you fear you are having a blood sugar problem today, do consult with a doctor. Problems associated with this health matter are indicated today. Capricorn, overview. You will be on a mental and physical high today. Your spirits will charm everyone around you, be it at home or at work. Even your output at work increases in quality and quantity because of this. Use today to push forward on any pending tasks, and your productivity will be exceptionally high today. Capricorn, romance. This would be a promising day to plan a pleasure trip with your partner to deepen your personal relationship. The opportunity would enable you to enjoy life together, getting a break from your usual chores. The trip will rejuvenate you. The emotional experience you shared will contribute to transforming you, thus taking your love to newer heights. Capricorn, career. Today you are likely to benefit if you use creative and unorthodox methods to solve problems at work. It's better to keep in mind that sometimes seemingly illogical thinking pays. It would give you a chance to come up with surprising solutions to taxing problems, thus helping in facilitating and reducing work time and conflicts. Capricorn, finance. A short trip for business purposes is likely to bring good results. It would also bring you in contact with some influential people who might take you to newer heights, thus enabling you to expand your business. You will see good financial returns from the investments you make in this trip today. So have those presentations ready and hand out those business cards freely. Your networking will pay off. Capricorn, health. There is a possibility of a very bad and vivid dream that you had last night troubling you today. This dream likely made it very difficult for you to get a good night's rest. While there is no real cause for worry, it is important that you think positive thoughts before sleeping. Otherwise, you will wake up tired. Aquarius, overview. Today you are trying to peacefully work out some discord that has arisen in your home. If some arguments erupt between members of your household, you may find yourself stuck in the middle. Play the diplomatic mediator and peacemaker today, and you will find that things return to normal soon. Aquarius, romance. Though you may seem to be facing some social or family problems recently, you will find that today these issues will disappear. Use this time of positive developments to make sure your family knows that you love them and that you respect their wishes. Your partner will also respect you for taking the high road. Aquarius, career. If you are working in the IT sector, you may find that the work pressures are quite high right now. However, you will find that today you are able to make major gains in your work sector and you leap a few steps forward towards finishing your biggest projects. You will actually meet the deadlines given to you, no matter how doubtful it seemed yesterday. Aquarius, finance. Monetary gains and recognition come effortlessly to you. Today you may come into a large amount of money through no effort of your own. This could be through something such as an inheritance. This will be a welcome financial buffer for you. Make sure you don't spend it all immediately and are wise with your financial decisions. Aquarius, health. Unnecessary worry about aging would invite mental stress into your life today. Aging is inevitable and it is impossible to stop it. The only thing one can do is to delay the process slightly. Therefore, develop healthy habits and try to remain happy in every situation. All this would enable you to enjoy the beauties of life without worrying about aging. Pisces, overview. Today, keep your eyes out for someone to come into your life who will change things for the better. You may find that you stumble on someone who can give you guidance in your career sector or even in your personal life. Be open to taking guidance from someone who is senior to you, as you will benefit greatly from their life experience and wisdom. Pisces, romance. Today you are considering taking a romantic relationship to the next step. It may be that you've been involved with your partner for a while now, and today your mind is playing with the idea of making it permanent. These mental exercises will be fruitful today and will guide you in the right direction. But listen to your heart and keep your feet on the ground because you're making a very long-term commitment. Pisces, career. If you have been waiting to hear about a work permit or visa for an overseas opportunity, today will likely be the day you will receive good news. You have waited long enough, so this news is most welcome. Use this opportunity to your advantage and enjoy it. Pisces, finance. As you may be worried today about your low level of saving and your shaky financial future, you will be looking at fixed deposits and other surefire ways to put money away for the long term. Budget your expenses and chart your financial course wisely, and you will be reaching your goal in no time. Pisces, health. To ensure better health, try eating organic and wholesome food now. Your health is not necessarily suffering now, but it would still do you some good to improve your diet. Increase your fiber intake and provide your body with its daily requirement of fruits and vegetables. Try to include organic food in your diet, as it is free of preservatives and insecticides, and therefore is better for your overall well-being.